Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In our video here, we're going to go ahead and take a look at structures associated with the breast. We'll start with this model first because this model has the best representation of the breast with the pectoralis major muscle still attached. So this here would be that pectoralis major muscle. The other model I have is a little more detailed. Let's switch to that. In this model, we can mainly just see the breast. There's a little bit of that pectoralis muscle kind of peeking out right here, but the breast is the main focus of this model. We have the areola, which is the area around the nipple here. So here's the nipple. Here we have the areola surrounding that nipple. I went ahead and turned the model kind of on the other side. That way we can see the internal structures a little bit better and the model is a little bit more stable. We can see the pectoral fat pad. Again, our breast is going to be composed of a lot of adipose tissue. So that's our pectoral fat pad right there. We also have these kind of little grape-like structures throughout here. So those yellowish grape-like structures, those are going to be the lobules. Each one of these grapes, you can kind of think about it like that with this analogy. So each grape would be a lobule. Those are going to be important in milk production. The milk is going to be produced by those lobules. And then we go from lactiferous ducts to these enlarged lactiferous sinuses. So again, our lobules here make or produce milk, and then that milk is going to drain into lactiferous duct, and then that's going to enlarge out into a lactiferous sinus.